Magnetic storage devices. Hard disk. The most common magnetic storage device is the hard disk. Every computer has one. The hard disk is placed inside the computer for extra storage space. It is here that the operating system usually resides. The hard disk has a storage capacity of up to 160 gigabytes. The hard disk is made up of a set of platters mounted on a common spindle and coated with magnetic material on both sides. Data is stored on these platters. The platters are rotated at high speed and data is accessed using two heads, one on top of the platter and one on the bottom. Only the inner surface is used for data storage on the topmost and last platter.